Magandang umaga, Pilipinas at buong mundo. Ako po si Hannah Alcindamia.
Ako naman si Iverson Laurente.
At welcome to TI Show. Ang bisita po natin ngayon ay isang businesswoman na galing sa Quezon City.
Let's welcome our guest, Miss Rochelle.
Hi, Rochelle.
Hi, Hannah and Ivor.
Bumati ka muna sa ating mga netizen.
Magandang umaga, Pilipinas.
Kamusta naman ang takbo ng business mo, Miss Rochelle?
Okay naman, sa awa ng Diyos, maganda naman ang takbo ng negosyo ko.
So, simulan na natin ang ating mga. What is mixed?
Respect my expression ng entrepreneurial competitiveness. It refers to the key characteristics that a successful entrepreneur should have in order to be successful.
What are the things that are entrepreneurs must possess to success?
The personal entrepreneurial competitiveness are as follows: opportunity taking, persistence, commitment to work contract, risk-taking, demand for efficiency and quality, goal-setting, information seeking, and systematic planning.
Can you tell us the importance of software?
Software not only makes your computer hardware perform important tasks, but can also help your business work more efficiently.
Can you give us information about shareware, registerware, freeware, and counterfeit software?
Freeware is a contrast to commercial software which is typically sold for profit but might be distributed for a business or commercial purpose in the aim to expand the market share of a premium product.
Any message are viewers?
Sana may natutunan kayo ngayong umaga sa GI Talk Show at sana nakahatid kami ng mabuting aral sa inyong business. Once again, my name is Russell Trivelis, your guest.